guys, we'll be continuing exercising. Touch 2. Parang hindi tayo makita. Nung bahang lumayo tayo. Oh, yung ganun. Yung 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And for our side fat, to remove our side fats is side bends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, that's all for this morning. I hope you like it. If you like it, please comment down below for Maggie TV channel
and Liza Choice.
Subscribe if you're not yet our subscriber, and don't forget to bell the ring for notification para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload namin.
Ito po yung quick exercise namin. Salamat!
See you guys on our next vlog!